Hello guys, it's me, XR53, the make of the animation I made from CapCut, guys. Okay guys, so let me ask you a little bit entertainment, guys. I just been I make animation, guys. I've been making that animation video, guys. If you guys want to subscribe, if or like or comment, whatever you guys do, I just want to ask you a entertainment, little entertainment. Like bro, when I was gonna tell you entertain me, okay, then check this out, bro. Check this out. I'm just gonna smoke this paper. Oh, bro. Whoa!